Hi guys, welcome back. Before we start this video, make sure to subscribe to Diamond Jeff and not just kidding. So today I'm gonna be showing you some of my fidgets, my new ones. I just got back from a big day of fun. So first, I have these magnetic blocks. Wait a second. There's 10 of them. My buddy has some too. So yeah, there's these locks that are in my hands, and just you can't see them. And then they make noise. So yeah, I got these actually I think yesterday. I just didn't make a video on showing it because some people use it as a fidget, but I don't really think of it as a fidget, but I can still think of it as a fidget. It's very strong. Magnet-y. Sorry. Yeah. So, they're very strong magnets. So, yeah. So, next up is my water timer. It's my first ever one. So, this I'm on like a train, and this was like at the train shop. My brother got one too. This is orange and pink. Yeah, my brother's is blue, light blue. So this stands for railroad. Railroad. Yeah, that's what it stands for. So that's all of the fidgets, new fidgets. Yeah. So, yeah. And I actually really like the water timer, just sometimes it gets really boring. And this one got boring too. After like a little bit, like the toy can get boring. So, yeah.
Wait. Alright, so go on my channel if you want to watch behind the scenes of it. Like, I'll be recording, and yeah.
He did behind the scenes. If you saw the tablet peeking over, that's him. Yeah. Why did my knee Let's just say something. Just money. So, yeah. That's